Bhupen Singh Hooda said that government policies and decisions with Corona made trouble for farmers. Open robbery in procurement of DAP from farmers, recovery of rupees 1900 per bag. Hooda also said that government has not yet paid wheat farmers over rupees 7,000 crore. Government should not stop buying wheat. What will the farmer whose wheat is not sold? Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday reviewed the growing need of adequate human resources amid an unprecedented rise of COVID-19 cases in the country. Sweden plans to donate 1 million doses of AstraZeneca vaccines to India via the unbagged COVAX, an initiative devised to give countries access to coronavirus vaccine regardless of their wealth. Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla on Monday said it is not possible to ramp up vaccine production overnight. In the letter to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, Federation of Western India Sign Employees requested to provide vaccine for artists, workers and technicians of the M&E industry. The CBI has registered an FIR against Kerala police personnel in a matter of alleged framing of space scientist Nambi Narayana in the 1994 ISRO space technology case on the Supreme Court's direction, officials said on Monday. The second wave of COVID-19 and the resultant localized lockdowns have impacted over 75 lakh jobs, taking the unemployment rate to a 4-month high of 8%, the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy said on Monday. The Election Commission rattled over the strong High Court observations related to conducting of just concluded assembly elections, told the Supreme Court on Monday that COVID-19 management was not its prerogative and it does not run the governance of the state. The US will never waver in its commitment to prevent another terror attack on the country and to keep the American people safe. President Joe Biden has vowed as he marked the 10th anniversary of the killing of Osama bin Laden in Pakistan. For the third time, the village head Sunita Devi has declared Vijay Bhav Vijay as head of the village by Lalganj Gram Sabha Balia. It is a matter of discussion in the entire Gram Sabha that the women head is known for the development of the village. Set an example of brotherhood, Sunita Devi said that the people of the Gram Sabha will not let the strain come from anywhere in my hard work and in honor of my principal husband, the late Sumir Singh, where you have given me the command of hero and for development. Priyanka Chopra has amplified Sonu Sood's plea for free education for those kids who have lost their parents to COVID-19, tagging the actor as a visionary philanthropist. PC actress shared Sonu's video on her Instagram account and extended support to his cause.